We just arrived at the fields. We're having some cricket, just some mucking around cricket. So this is pretty much what we do on the reg. It's pretty fun, especially when you don't have like the serious guys in it. You can muck around, miss balls. Again, do you have deodorant, Chris?
Yeah, for my wonders.
No, you need a bit more than deodorant for that. What are you doing? Siaosi. Mom, she always tries to stick up for Daniel. Mom, he's out. Let me bowl, see. Get it! Hey guys, we're just watching like cricket, hey? Victoria's really crap, really bad. Look at her. Let's look at her, let's look at her. Oh my god, he's really laughing. Eddie. Eddie, Squeaky little bunny.
Listening to our favorite song. Oh, then I'm gonna play my favorite song then. Like my actual favorite.
Ah, no, that's enough. So we came to Mum and Dad's to have some dinner. I am so hungarita. And yeah.
What's that up?
Danielle's gonna give us a number, a special number.
For.
It means you're gonna sing a special number.
21.
No! It means you're gonna sing a song.
Oh, song.
What's good?
Dancing in the pit and a jelly titty teacher.
What?
I got my cousins here. We're having a sleepover. We're having a sleepover. I've got actually the whole tribe here. I've got Daniel and Siaosi. And we've got some snacks on the side over here. Some really bad snacks. So we're gonna watch Love and Basketball. I'm introducing them to my favorite movie ever.
Sorry.
We're just playing Crash Bandicoot for the moment.
Good morning, guys. I slept over here with coming and just flying off.
Oh my gosh, get out.
I saw go slept over with us. Yeah, sweet. We all slept over, and yeah. So.
Good morning, guys. It is the very next day and we had so much fun at our sleepover. Josie's gone to the farm with my parents and I cooked everybody breakfast. So they have an option of, let me turn this down before I get copyrighted. So they have an option of cereals, or they can have some bacon and eggs, scrambled eggs, toast with Nutella, jam, peanut butter, biscuits, juice.
Can we have both?
Don't know. Trust you to ask something like that.
Oh.
Here, let me do it. You go over there. Go over there because the lighting's better over there.
I'm not that I can never move.
You just dance. That's what Daniel's doing. As if it's a piece. What? We finished eating breakfast now. Our tummies are full and we sat there talking for like an hour and a half just of stories. And I'm definitely going to do a story time. I just got to know what I'm going to do, because I got a lot of juicy stories for y'all to hear. The halu. Oh, yeah, he will. It was just about an experience in Samoa with one of Siaosi's family members. Oh, I get my boxing gloves. I got my gloves.
What is this? It's huge. You got a box.
Oh, you guys are so crackers. Wait. Hey, cooking. We're gonna go Vela de Val. English, we're gonna go weed the weeds. Weed the weeds. We're gonna go weeding down there. Let's see, those are the weeds that Aussie pulled out the other day. Is this real grass? Yeah, it's real grass. Not those weeds. Those ones. That's our lawn as well. Outside. Yeah, I'm coming down. Oh my gosh.
Show me.
Girl.
Get it?
I got some band-aids inside. I got it!
Hey, I don't want to go back to school.
When do you go back?
On Wednesday.
So clean under there, it's all gone. Yep, now we got this side. I'm so tired from bending, my thighs hurt. Let's start in the shade first. Okay. Alright then. I didn't have enough capsicum to be honest, but this is pretty much the end result. Red chicken curry.
Hello. Hello. Geiermoed. Geiermoed.
Isn't it normally something up here? That's why I stopped those kind of.
And my face is so big. I used to be so skinny. So we're here at Flip Out now. Got the crew, got the squad. Aussie. I want to get a spike on of Siaosi's. So we're still at the volley. We've been here almost 3 hours. Yeah, I'm not playing with these serious guys. I'm not playing with these serious guys because I might get spiked in my face, or you know, people might get mad if I hit the ball somewhere else because I'm not that good. Siaosi loves volley, right? And I've got my squad sleeping over again. Okay. Guys, we didn't end up finishing the vlog the other night, but we're coming. We're here at Waitangi Day in Queanbeyan with the squad. I swear you guys are my squad now. And
Yes, my squad.
we just rocked up and there's only like an hour and a half left. Bro, we should have parked our car right under these trees. How would we get in?
You just can't get a green in this present tense. We all talk a different language, talking in different. Say it loud, say it clear.
Why? You look so pretty.
You're fine, though. Say something. Do something. He doesn't even know you. She's like,
We got a viewer here. She's a bit nervous. Thanks for watching our vlogs.
oh good.
That is so funny. Hi. We got a little viewer here. Apparently she's a big fan of ours. Do you want to say something? What's your name? Give me a hug.